welcome to Grace's channel. And this time we will have our fifth video. This time I would like you to show our boarding house. Okay. Alisa, do you wanna build a snowman?
Oh, Marites!
Normal. Okay, come here to our boarding house. Thank you to 165 subscribers. Okay. I will be putting our boarding house. This is our boarding house, and this is our round table. This is our rectangle table. This is our tray, and this is the door of our landlord's law. This is the boys' dorm. This is the boys' room, rather. This is Ken's room, the very kalat. Ken, Halia, hashtag Ken. This is Albert fixing. This is Albert's room, and there's no. Welcome to our room, girls department. This is my deck. This is my daughter's deck. This is our storage deck. This is our